Hey guys, here we are on a new video. On this video we are going to take a look at the Beatflex. We are going to do a little unboxing and then we will take a look at it later. So the first thing you get to see after opening the box is this. As you can see, that's the Beatflex. So here we got some different sizes of ear tips, and here we got some documentations, a Beats logo sticker and some paperwork. Here we got the Beatflex itself. Alright, let's take this out. Okay, the second one. Okay, here we are. Okay. Oh, the packaging is really amazing. Here I got some Beats writings, and I think the other place are some. Okay, they have already magnetically stick to each other. The magnet thing is really amazing, and I think that's much of it from the outside. You get a Beats logo here, red and shiny like always. Okay, think here, around here we get our charging port and stuff. That's all for the unboxing. Beatflex. Alright, let's talk about it. I'm going to say my thoughts on this honestly. At first, these are very good wireless earphones. The connectivity and everything is okay, and this sounds amazing. The battery life is good, honestly. And when it comes to sound, this isn't the best, but this is good. Yeah, this is really good. This is really amazing. Like, I listened to more than 20 musics with this and it is great. You can check it out for the sound. But when we talk about some things later on, you will then decide, are you going to pick this up or not? What you need to know first, there's no transparency mode or activeness cancelling. I've said it a lot, I don't really care about spatial audio, but for transparency mode and activeness cancellation, I really like that. So there isn't on the Beatflex, and that really hurt me. Something interesting about these wireless earphones though is the magnets. It have magnets in both earphones, so it kind of clips together, it sticks together. Yeah, this is just an example of what it does. These magnets are really powerful. To me, I like that, and that's a cool feature that comes with the Beatflex. What I noticed next is that this doesn't have a skin detecting optical sensor. Like the Beats Studio Buds 2 doesn't have that. I've made a review, you can go check out. That doesn't have the skin detecting optical sensor. What I mean by that is when you close or remove the earbuds from your ears, they automatically stop playing, and when you put them back, they start playing. So that doesn't do that, honestly. But apart from that, these are really good wireless earphones. I would advise you to check out. Like most wireless earphones, these have controls, so you can change the music using the controls. You can pause, you can play, you can increase the volume and so on. You even have a button you can use to power this on or power this off. So this isn't just like after moving it from the case, it automatically connects to your device. You have to power it on, then it connects to your device. When it comes to charging, this uses a USB Type-C, and the charging is really amazing. This is fast, not like the other wireless earphones that does slow charging. The most interesting part about this design, how you put it around your neck. Seriously, this is cool, I might say. Yeah, this is cool to a lot of people, but to me sometimes I find this disturbing. And I think the reason I found this disturbing is because I'm not used to these types of wireless earphones. I'm just used to earphones, earbuds, and nothing like that. But this is amazing, honestly. And I think the reason why this doesn't have activeness cancellation, transparency mode, and spatial audio is because this is cheap. This just costs $69. So if you compare it to other wireless earphones like earbuds, this is very cheap. So this is just a simple wireless earphone for an interested user. And the main thing a lot of people buy this is because of the design. The design is cool. When wearing this, you look amazing, honestly. This looks good, and you can get several colors. I saw blue and yellow, black, and I'm not sure of the rest of the colors, but there are a lot of colors you can choose from. But here we got the black one in the studio earlier. For the conclusion, I've used this for several days and I enjoy it, especially the sound. This sounds amazing. Honestly, I didn't expect it to sound this good, but this is amazing. The sound is great. It have a great design. You can get several colors. Yeah, no skin detecting optical sensor, no transparency mode, no activeness cancellation as I told you earlier, fast charging, and a very good battery life. And also, don't forget about the cool feature, the magnets that kind of stick together with both ears. So when not in use, instead of them to be moving around on your chest, they just kind of stick together. So that's more accurate and that's much better. And also, these have a very good fit, so it won't be always falling from your ears and so on. Even if it does, there are different sizes of ear tips in the box, so you can check out and use the best for your ears. I know Beats have made a lot of wireless earphones and earbuds which are very cool, and this is among them. So, conclusion, is this worth buying? Let's just say if you are just a normal dude who just want to buy a wireless earphones for hands-free experience listening to music and answering calls, this is what buy them, because the design and everything looks cool. This sounds amazing. The battery life is an all-day battery life, so this is good. I'll recommend that to you. But if you are someone who already used a lot of wireless earphones and earbuds, like AirPods Pro Max, Beats Pro, Powerbeats Pro, Beats Studio Buds, and so on, I won't recommend this to you, because you already use the activeness cancellation, transparency mode, and spatial audio on those earphones and earbuds, so you won't enjoy this. I don't recommend that. But if you want to buy it, I will leave links in the description for the product if you want to check out. That's been it. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.